Hi, welcome to Deliverr's webinar aimed at helping our sellers get their inbounds received as quickly as possible so that your inventory is made available for sale on your marketplace channels and fast tags can be activated. Today, we'll be going over a brief overview of how to create an inbound, Deliverr's packing list, what characteristics make a SKU compliant with a focus on barcodes, and the impacts of noncompliance. First, let's quickly review how to create an inbound. For those of you who have not created an inbound with Deliverr, I highly recommend checking out the inbound section of the Deliverr Help Center, which you can access through the seller portal. Once you've logged into the Deliverr seller portal, click on the inbounds icon on the left-hand side of the seller portal, and then click on the Create New button in the top right-hand corner. After you've clicked Create New, you'll see an auto-generated shipping plan name in the top left-hand corner of the screen. This is editable. Just click into it and you can name it whatever you'd like. Use the search bar in the middle to select the SKU you want to inbound. Use the drop-downs with the red dots above them to select the fulfillment service level for that item and how you'll be packing your products, either individually or by case pack. The image to the left shows an example of how Deliverr expects individual units to be packaged and labeled. The image to the right shows an example of a case pack unit and how Deliverr expects it to be packaged and labeled. So, this next step is where a lot of non-compliance related issues come into play. Pay close attention to how to assign a barcode to your products. Deliverr only allows one barcode value to be assigned to one product, and once inputted, it cannot be changed. Now, this is extremely important, so I'm going to repeat this. Deliverr only allows one barcode value to be assigned to one product, and once inputted, it cannot be changed. We do allow sellers to use a variety of barcode types, including UPC, EAN, Amazon SKUs like your FN SKU or ASIN, and the D SKU, which is a Deliverr generated SKU. If you do select the D SKU, the barcode value will auto-populate, and you do not need to input the barcode value. That is only if you select D SKU as the barcode type. Again, Deliverr only allows one barcode value to be assigned to one product. For example, this screenshot shows test product 182. The format selected for this item is a D SKU, and the barcode value is DQX7J8503AN. So, for test product 182, the only barcode value Deliverr will recognize when this product is inbounded is DQX7J8503AN. Select a barcode format and input a barcode value into the barcode value field and click Next. Remember, at this point, this value cannot be changed, so be sure when you're entering in the barcode values you're double checking for typos, like using the letter O instead of a 0, or using the letter I instead of a 1, or using the letter S as in Sam instead of a 5, vice versa for any of these scenarios. Barcode labels on the items inbounded must exactly match the barcode value that is inputted into this field, or it will be flagged as non-compliant. We'll talk more about barcodes in just a little bit. After you've barcoded your products, the next step is to print your barcodes. You'll be able to print the barcodes you created for the products for the inbound you just created on this page. If you selected D SKU as the barcode type, you must download the barcodes in order to move forward. The next step is to select the origin location from where your inbound will be shipping from. Use the drop-down menu to select a saved location, or use the fields below the drop-down to input the ship from address information and click Next. The next step is to select which rates you'll be inbounding your shipment on. Use the drop-down in the middle of this page to choose your own rates or Deliverr's rates. If you choose Deliverr's rates, tracking will auto-populate for the inbound once shipped. If you choose to inbound on your own rates, you'll have to input the tracking number to track your inbound in the seller portal. After you've selected the rates on which you'll inbound, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Download Labels to download and print the box contents label for each warehouse location. Finally, click Complete Shipment. Another misstep that sellers often make is that they forget to clearly attach their box contents label on their inbound shipment. If the warehouse does not have this document, they cannot determine what the shipment is or what any of its contents are. You must make sure that the box contents label is clearly placed and attached to the outside of your inbound. Let's talk a little bit about the Deliverr packing list, which contains a checklist to help eliminate barcode noncompliance. A new feature Deliverr recently launched is an update to our packing list, which you'll be able to download after you've completed the inbound setup. The enhanced packing list provides instructions for your packing facility to double check that the barcode labels being placed on your products are an exact match to what we have in the Deliverr system. A table for each inbound location with a product name and an image of the barcode and barcode value. To download the enhanced packing list, click Download Packing List. Once you click Download Packing List, you'll see two download options, PDF and CSV. We do recommend downloading the PDF version of the packing list, but there is a CSV version available. The first page of the packing list will show detailed instructions for your packing facility to follow in order to ensure that all products are barcoded correctly. The instructions will ask that your packing facility scans every barcode label found in this document and compare the SKU ID found in your warehouse management system, or WMS, with the SKU ID found in this packing list. If the SKUs are not the same, your packing facility should notify you immediately so you're able to resolve prior to inbounding the product. It is much more efficient and cost-effective to not send in product with incorrect labels than to send in the mislabeled product. Here is an example of what the table with the product name and barcode label looks like. You can see the SKU product name, the barcode label Deliverr is expecting, and the number of units of that product that should be sent to that facility. Now let's talk a little bit about the characteristics that make a SKU compliant. Currently, we do have a limit on the size of the SKU that you can send into Deliverr. Those limits are listed here. The maximum weight is 75 pounds. Our maximum max dim is 40 inches. Our maximum medium dim is 30 inches. And our maximum minimum dim is 15 inches. We do have our warehouses verify the weight and dimensions of each SKU that is inbounded. And if your product is outside of these limits, Deliverr will return these items to you and charge your account for the return. Sending in a restricted item is also considered inbound noncompliance. We highly recommend you visit the Deliverr Help Center and review our restricted product list, which includes but is not limited to hazardous items, temperature-controlled items, products requiring additional prep, and products requiring licenses to store or distribute. By far, the largest case of noncompliance that Deliverr experiences is related to barcodes. It is crucial to remember that Deliverr only allows one barcode value to be assigned to one SKU. Some common mistakes include Deliverr was expecting a D SKU, but the barcode on the product is a UPC. Deliverr was expecting a specific UPC, but the barcode on the product was an incorrect UPC. Or Deliverr was expecting an FN SKU, but the barcode on the product was simply an incorrect FN SKU. Let's just go through a few examples. In this example, Deliverr was expecting a D SKU barcode, but instead received a UPC barcode. This is considered non-compliant. As you can see in this example, Deliverr was expecting a UPC barcode, and we did receive a UPC barcode. However, the last 4 digits of the barcode Deliverr received does not match the last 4 digits of the barcode value we were expecting, and so this is also a case of non-compliance. Because non-compliant issues require manual intervention and manual labor to correct, there are associated fees if inbounds are sent in non-compliantly. You can read more about noncompliance related fees in the Deliverr Help Center. Most importantly, non-compliant inbounds are subject to receiving delays. That means your inventory isn't available for sale, and you could potentially lose your fast tag status on a product. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Deliverr support team by clicking on the contact icon in the seller portal.